안녕하세요. Welcome back to Joe Chef TV, where we bring you the best of homemade Korean cooking. Today we're diving into the deep blue to bring a unique and delicious dish straight to your kitchen, steamed stingray. This dish is a true culinary delight, combining the delicate flavors of stingray with the robust and spicy seasonings that Korean cuisine is known for. Now you might be wondering, why stingray? Well, this ingredient is surprisingly common and very affordable, yet not many people know how to cook it. In many Asian countries, stingray is a popular choice for its tender and flavorful meat. It's often found in local markets and is perfect for steaming. Let this guy sit here and dry out for a while. Put some salt for seasoning. You can be a little more generous on the salt, but not too much. Okay, I got a wok here and have some water in it, not so much. I'm gonna put a little bit of wasabi. This will help get rid of all the fishy smell from the stingray. I'm also putting some rice wine. This is we call it UFO. It folds into like something like this, and you can make it. Wow. Try to flip it. Wow, this is really heavy. There you go. You can see it's not ready yet, but we're getting there. Leaving it covered and sit for 30 minutes. Okay, these are green peppers, but they look very, very spicy and chili. So I'll cut them in big pieces so you can see them, and avoid it if you can, but if you like a little spice, you can go for them. Time to make the sauce. Some ginger. Red chili. Wow, that smells spicy. I'm gonna make it really spicy today. They say Koreans eat spicy, but I have seen Americans and Indians, Pakistanis, Nepali who eat a lot more spicier than Koreans can. Soy sauce. 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. 6 tablespoons chili. This is the finer kind. 4 tablespoons of plum sauce. 4 tablespoons of sugar. This is cooking wine. 6 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of ground garlic. 1 tablespoon of white sesame seed. 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. That's it. All you have to do is mix it up. And just pour it over the fish. It will taste magnificent.
Joe Chef, Korean dreams so tasty. Healthy goals, our path is clear and bright. Flavors bold, but health is what guides me. Korean cooking won't give up fight. Taste and nutrition